It's not good. Video where I just do just now. Please, guys, if you are watching, give me comments. Let me know this. Let me be rest assured that this video is okay. This video is going on well. Please comment. The video I just did just now, talking about my relocation, has given somebody big hearts, has made somebody heart to grow so big to the extent she's. Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another ogbonge matter come again. Who we wan watch today, my people? We wan watch Monica and Mommy Love. The tori not too much, my people. The wahala for inside life, for inside social media, e not too much. Mommy Love say just because she carry her passport and her children passport come out, na im Monica come dey cry, come dey cry, dey tear her pint, dey tear her kpata. My people, no be my mouth una go hear say something happen. No, make I leave una, make una watch this very video. Please no forget to like and share. Drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you all. Bye bye. That was the prayer my mom and my dad prayed for me. They never say, "Ah, we see." They never wish me that. I never also wish myself that. Good morning, my beautiful, adorable Madam Susan Williams. I greet you. Good afternoon. I say good evening. Oh, Salobwa. Good afternoon, Jare. No, say I quit wake up today. I quit wake up today. My parent family never said, go and lost in another man's land. Go and never return. Not my portion. Yeah. I never said, anyone, just talk about myself. Personality, my own self, my own person, my own thing. Yeah. Say old age cold, not before my bone. Even as I see young, so the core is not doing just nice justice. Because they not born me here. You see my children when I born here not their country. Nigeria also not their country. Because their parents is from there. Originally from Nigeria. Even though I am a citizen of Spain. Yeah. Your Hannah. You remember that when you tell us, say, your heart they grow bigger. Your heart they grow bigger. You can't they grow bigger. When you and Lolo fall apart, you say your heart when they grow. Don't cause your heart they increase. No, I they show concern, they pity for you. Yeah, woo. Hey, yeah, woo, your how your Hannah. Usio si be. Osio si cho. Who they worry too much, not they last long. Worriness not good for health. Not gonna let your heart increase again the way it increased that year. Oh. Call him. Sorry? What's that? No. No, it's not there anymore. Are you scared? You understand? Which kind of wahala be this? That video I do a 1 hour ago or thereabouts. Please, guys, find time and watch it. And come and watch this jealousy-hearted person, evil person. She's evil. Someone that has jealousy spirit. Jealousy spirit is stronger than witchcraft. That's why when I see any friend that has jealousy spirit, I just separate myself in a hurry. Gracias. Now God win. He said, "Tu eres la más." Okay, let me block this idiot. Oh yeah. You understand? Oh, my darling Iyeki. I greet you, Osasandra Yebo. Good afternoon, mommy. Hey? The video I did just now, I just said me. I didn't talk about people. Like I didn't generalize. I said me. There is an age that we get to. My children already are well. I don't like Europe anymore. I'm not feeling it anymore. Now children make me day here. That is what I said. Nigeria life, it too go sweet me past Europe on. So long you are comfortable. So far I'm comfortable. I plan well. Now it matter. Nobody they relocate with empty hand now. I say if I get to some age, I don't say until my old. Can't go and say at the age of 70, 65. What you want to go and enjoy again? The how you want to climb upstairs? How you want to enjoy the life? How you want to go one bed? Go the Iyeki. Isha. I said, if few years from now, mommy love, I will be relocating. I've been saying it. I have decided this thing many years ago. I figure out the years I will stay because I planned my life. When to marry, when to start giving birth, when to have the time period of time. Look for money very seriously. My plans, my budget, everything, my investment, everything, what we sustain, blah, 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 blah. Everything figured out by the grace of God, and God is doing it and it's falling in place. Here. I said when it gets to the age I have told myself, my last born, my children have already grown. It's only my last born. Few years from now, he will be there. I will relocate back home. Coming here to visit and go back for medical checkup, shopping and all that. To come do it and go back. Now this get heart just they grow large. The way they grow large. The period of years friend where jealousy be one buyer for that one body. Why you get this so much jealousy in you? Jealousy not good there. You are killing yourself slowly, but you don't know it. You don't know it. You are wearing yourself out. You are killing yourself by yourself. True? Me and you will not be from the same family. We will not be from the same mama. We will not be the same papa. How come my talk, my plan, they give you headache? Now you tell people say Nigeria na potopoto. You and your ex-friend. Now tell people say Nigeria na potopoto. Say what did they do for Nigeria? Say na graveyard. People will build house for them na graveyard they build. Now this and this. Now erosion country. Now bad luck country. Now backwardness country. Nothing wanna not call Nigeria. The next thing you go show us miserable 2 flats right near for grant. I never see whether they right near for grant before. You go show us miserable 2 flats where you renovate, where you run, kitty, kata, go renovate. You go show us. The same you that said Nigeria is a poto. You not finish for there. You can't go. Hotel, guest house, where they build, uncompleted building, where the fence don't even they grow grass, where you not get. You can't they use something they show off. You can't they say na shine your shine hotel, fake life. Because you see, say mommy love carry mansion foundation put for ground. It don't reach knitted. About to be deck. You go carry shine your shine fake life hotel. You say shine your shine. You almost somersault on top of staircase of a completed building of a guest house where you not get. Now the same is so. Now give your friend tension. The bulala when I give you. Now give your ex-friend tension. She come confess. Say I beg oh, the cost too much because I knew that you were living a fake life. Your friend can say I beg oh, man not buy am oh. Oh, not be a girl tell na fake life oh. Wait, cost na quarantine today. And then man go e don bon. Because are you getting me? I just told something I not preach give anybody. I was just saying part of my own plans for myself. Every aboki with their own country. What it concern me? Everybody get their own plan. Someday now another man now they want buy put. Good or fine. Now their choice. Me someday old age they want use them face take the cold weather and everything. It's good. Me, I cannot use old age to take the cold weather. I need that my Nigeria song because na better vitamin for body. Na better vitamin. 50 years, 60 years for year, they don't go, or Igbo don't go. But 60 years, 70 years for Nigeria, they are still bouncing. Because of that, our good weather, our blessed weather. Yeah. I will just say, please, the video is there. I didn't delete it. You can go and watch it. I just talk, inside talk, we just talk my own life. My own plan, I need to say, not be my life. My own plan for my own life in few years from now. By the grace of Almighty God. Everybody with their own plan. Everybody knows what they want to do with their life. Everybody must not have same plan. Everybody with their own, according to what it suits you, now you go do. Some people will not go back home because they don't have anything to fall back on. Some people will prefer to be here and be on government's neck when they're old. They know that they didn't work. There will be no pension. There is nothing they will live on. They are ready to remain young. But yeah, it's okay. It's everybody's choice. That one is not bad. Who is relocated back home is not bad. They know who were painting. Which one could tear your pints? And they ask you. No question, no you were medi. Which one could tear your pints? How does my plan affect your life? Now, so you never see anybody where he relocate, where he survive. All of them, they die after 10 years, after 20 years, after 2 years. Then they buy, when they relocate, I get auntie, uncles, where come America, where go America, Australia, that year. I small. Where they go America that year. Australia. I get family where they say, me small, I be small picking. 6 years, 7 years where they come out. After some years, they came back to settle back home, make a lot of money for themselves. Since tomorrow, one of them, my auntie now, she's 78 years old already. The other of my uncle, they are still alive. What are you trying to do? Can't you just do your thing? You tell us say when you did Netherlands, you buy your grave for Netherlands. Nothing when you not tell us so. You say you buy your grave, you don't even they pay put. So as you come there Belfast, now if you buy now, Belfast go and transfer your dead body, go Netherlands, because now there you for buy grave. Me and you not be the same. What is your problem? Let people live their life. You are a deceiver, you idiot. You are deceitful. That Nigeria, people they build a house for Nigeria, now that time no say you be idiots. People they build house for Nigeria, now they are grave Poto country, country, nothing when you not call Nigeria. But shamelessly, you go show two miserable flats where you renovate, where you not fit to finish. You know the shame. For how long will you continue to mislead people? And that is not even my problem. Why is my own plan hurting you? Maybe when you come out from Nigeria, your family tell you say, "Fia who your dao, who you were, why I don't know the kind of prayer your mama and your papa pray for you. I don't know the wish where you wish for yourself. Must everybody just lie down, put head on one direction? No. What is your problem? Now you don't know. Come attention won't finish you. Tension won't finish you. You are tense. Tension won't just finish your life. My passport and my children's passport, they give you depression. Now, so your friend don't give you depression. We don't know you. You have this jealousy spirit. Wait, for this social media, I want to ask you before I start to play with you, I want to play. Make people hear. I want to ask you for this social media. When they build that my mansion for Lagos, you not downgrade them. You not say na egg better. You not use your useless jaga teeth to talk and down. Did this stop me not building it? You not say you go use your witchcraft just stop my enemy make I not fit. Why your witchcraft not can do one? Untan ogbabe. Adulterous woman. Nefuemu ne with your own. Why be say your witchcraft as you do, as jealousy almost buy you rich. You never put something for this social media before then when you were calling my mansion Lagos State better. You never bring anything when I talk put before you start downgrading out of jealousy. You begin buy croissant, that bread they cut for different junction for Netherlands. Say what you anything with your children lay their hand, they can never finish it. But shame unto you. If not be say I no want just reveal nothing until the opening day. I for say make I just play something for you. When you talk, say you no go ever get head. When you say nothing with your children go point where they go ever finish. Then to start not go add your children, but to finish will ever always be their problem. They can never start anything and finish it because that is what you wish them. By wishing my enemy that is what you wish your children and yourself. What is your problem? You too sick be. You worry too much over people's life. Adulterous woman. Remember that year you tell us how your heart still they grow big. Dr. Code they give you medicine. You even show us the medicine how your heart they grow big. I'm just only concerned because you what you're talking, partly of you, partly of you. That's why I'm even concerned. If not, what they know you're gonna boy. What is your problem? What is your problem? I didn't advise anybody. I just talk about myself. And that could cause you jealousy. That could cause you worriness, sleepless nights. Udish. You when we are see where let your own cough they cough you now. Adulterous. Let only your cough they give you worries now. Not they cough and other people cough join your own. No ya fiagu meje. When blishika lowe gane. O si they don't boy bae. O get as it be now. It get as it be. What is your problem? Isha. What is your problem? When it comes to property, now you they downgrade people property, downgrade people effort pass for this social media. Nobody else does it more than you. And you came out to give us counsel us. You want us to believe. Where did they buy house where be say after 1 year, night document go come after 1 year. Where that one they happen? You think say I be small picking for abroad. I don't buy house and resell for this Spain. I know I have idea of buying of house. Where for they happen? Say you go buy house after 1 year long before you can't get evidence or get paper where you take buy house. Who are you fooling? Who you the fool adulterous woman? Who you the fool? Your gullible followers. When you use voodoo spoil take piri their eye, abi? Not be people like us because we are too sharp. Okay? We are too sharp. What is your problem? When you came from a mansion in Lagos. Oh, now this is my worker they call me. Oh, Danny, since 2 days you off your phone. When me match my mansion for Lagos, were you not after me? Were you not talking down? Even doing a sacrifice on Joshua and abroad if you are not insane? Cutting croissant, bread on Joshua, laying curse on your children that they can never finish whatever they start. And you are forgotten. So you did it to me. When you not carry castle has gone, you see that people told you to your face that is a fake life. Now cancel us. Now Kate, you look. Say go back kitchen. For the house, now cancel house. Can't reconcile. I never see where they buy house. Now after 1 year, you can't get document to the house. Where they buy. You be Ozuo. You be Mugu. Are you an Ozuo? What's they worry you? You can fool your gullible mumu followers. Not people like us. We are too sharp. Not be today we enter abroad. If I'm not mistaken, I enter abroad before you. Okay? You will not even give your children passport. You don't even know what to do to get passport after 20-something years abroad. Wait till you know. Wait till you know. You say passport na free for your village. For your village, Kwanu. For your papa village. Come o siga gbo your hand o siga gbo o. What is you? Isha. Mona listen. Please thumbs up the video. Make an offer. They fit. Me on a fan guy. A gbema okay, adulterous woman. O siga gbo your jealousy, eh? Why your heart not go grow big? Your jealousy. Diabetes don't enter. Nothing man they get for na family. With the heart where they large come out for the position plus diabetes. Only you want to see a dog boy by my baby. What a refia woo. No way, no ya woo no. I don't understand. Everybody will come abroad, they get planned for their self. Some people they set time for their self. Say, I know somebody. Now 10 years he program herself. Saying go stay for abroad. When that 10 years, true God do one for her. After that 10 years, she returned back home. You think abroad na heaven na earth? Because you be all now. You be all. For some people na heaven na earth. Like people like me, don't tire me, na children make me still there here. My last born, now make me still there here. Because I never day of age. The rest, I have 3 adults in my house. 2 adults, 1 teenager. That will be adults very soon. In few years. Last born will be teenager. Then I can move. And be visiting and going and coming. Kisha, what is your problem? Dosi we ask you. O CRSC we gbe ya fian wu. O your hands down, don't trust no mama. Afio kodi no na shower ba shower ni e ya fian wu. Don't let people joy, people progress, people achievements, they beat you cry. Because it has always beat you cry. That is why when you carry a cancer has come out, people not buy out for your hand. So until you begin to show tears. Are you a notario? Are you a notario? Your pikin, they call you, they phone notario. Your pikin, they the other room, they call you, plan work, they phone notario. Are you a notario? What is your email? They did not believe me. My people country, my country people did not believe me. They say I didn't buy ash. They say I didn't buy ash. They do not buy cash. Not that. Wow. Not back. Oh God. Not back. You think say that by tears, people will believe by force. You never know, say you make more fool of yourself. Because people day, Johnny just come day this abroad. Tele day, old boga day. They know waiting day. They know how things they work. When Lolo buy house, now after 1 year, Lolo say see document present for people, for our followers, and for the dirty Thomas. Now after 1 year, Lolo say present documents or Zonumako. Since you can want your gullible followers, not be tele like us. Me, I be tele old boga for abroad side. You can't whine me, you little girl. You too small. Who can be? Now your gullible followers you go whine. Not be people like us. We don't use her to do business for this country. You dey craze. I'll carry my file, come out, show you lots of documents. Where me take buy us and resell and make profits and buy again and resell. If I bought fia kunlelue, oh yes, so I'm you wa. Wow, you see get buy house. You go cancel us where it Bobby don't solicit put for before you now even come up for Netherlands. They approve and give you now. You buy kitchen just to make it real. You buy kitchen, buy different color riot lights put for the house. You say me person not here what no worry about. How is my relocating plan not hurting you? How is it not costing you pain? How come my relocating plan is not costing you pain and frustration? Why? Now so relocate, they die. No, people know they die for abroad. You know they see video where people they post. Young women where they die abroad. At it post one day. One woman, madam did something, I don't know. He post one day. A young woman, children, they put sand for her body. No, you know they see the ones, young ladies, God forbid, that's not our portion. Where they buy abroad, no worry about bomb. You always get bad mouth to downgrade every good thing to suit your own selfish interest. Because you know, say you don't hold in Nigeria now. Your men not go touch ground for Nigeria. That is why you have to buy your coffee. You tell us years ago, say you don't buy your coffee for Netherlands. If you come buy for Belfast now UK go come transfer your body go Netherlands. I bet how they want one. I bet the graveyard where you buy for Netherlands, they go transfer the money, come give them. You take buy the graveyard for Belfast for there. And they ask you that for nekwemu ayoyowa. I don't trust no mama. You are so disgusting. You are so disgusting. I swear. To me, you are very, very disgusting to me. Because your jealousy spirit is too high. It's too high. I enter this social media, you don't let me rest. I enter, you don't let me rest. Bully your head. Fine, you don't fine, reach me. Clean, you don't clean, reach me. Your hand till tomorrow, as you don't use cream, reach. Your hand till tomorrow, you know the let person look. Oye gbolokoshi. Green vein finish all your skin. Stretch mark when bleaching cream don't gilet it full your body. Wow, whoever bola wegbe. Kako say. Why are you whoever ball fiakuleli jouer? Normal training where agbove ma iwine gboma mama. If you ever had about that day in Yaze, how much might not even know you from Adam? What is your problem? That video, I never advised anybody. I just set my own plan. I just chip in my own plan. And it already giving you pain and worriness. You dey panic. Oh, if mommy of your is Nigeria now, oh, she will to use her mashons. Say, give me slap. I will not live here. My children will live here. I plan for my children here. I'm not going to live here. How am I going to plan for myself here? I'm not living here. I'm not living here. I don't feel rich. I don't feel dead system. I see dead this country. No way. Highest I give myself by the special grace of God is 55. I've calculated my last born age. That's the perfect time for me. But they worry you, they crazy. What is your problem? Every aboki with their own kento. When people plan, they give you pain and worriness. Can't you just mind your business? You will not buy your coffee. Me, I never buy coffee for abroad. I can never buy coffee abroad. You see. Agua. Yeah, my papa, 111 years. Now he leave this planet Earth. I'm about pray for me, say my pikin. I lay down when I go to Nigeria, say my papa, this is your long life. I want you to bestow it upon me. He said, my pikin, from 120 something, my grandmother, 130 something, I tell you this earth. Our family will the last. In our tour. My mama side, my papa side, in my tour. Not be you ever say, mama died at the age of 50 something. I don't know when your mother died, you idiots. What is your problem? I get uncles, aunties, we don't relocate back home. They are doing fantastically well. One of my big brother, my elder brother, that is 60, I think 62, is relocating next year. No, this year. I was telling him yesterday, we were talking on the phone. I said, Daddy, why not make it next year? He said, no. He said, I'm going this year. I have lots of family members that have relocated back. No fly has bite them in Nigeria. Not to talk of me where we say, Benin is not my thing. Benin is not for me. I don't like staying in Benin. I only have a house there. I only have property there. I can't stay in Benin. If me there Benin, if maybe I not get one better thing where they do. 3 days, 4 days, I'm out. I don't fly out. So Lagos or Port Harcourt. Now if you relocate now, you go stay inside family. Go stay family house. Now jealousy go enter your body. Now who know you go see you say, oh why yo? see as you just dey carry body, he greet me, not greet me well. He lead down, he need not reach ground well. Now jealousy go enter you because Benin jealousy too much. When you are successful, jealousy dey. Like my family, they build us for Benin, build for Lagos, build for Abuja. If they relocate back, they come to Benin for vacation. They go back to their base in that same Nigeria. Family will not see you when they see you once in a blue moon. I want to take plan for you. I want to put something for your drink or put something for your food. If you not go, you best your last. Or if your family na bad news, una get short life, una know they last. How is that mommy love problem? Our family with the last. My grandparents, I grew up come meet them. 130 something. 90 late. My father, 111 years. My family will always exceed 100 years. When I even lost my father, lost my mother 90 something, we were like, oh my God, my mother na last born for my mama and papa hand. 90 something, we were like, oh, matter. People were like, I wasn't on the talk. Who died for 90 something? You don't try. We were like, oh, it's a matter. To tell you how we the last of family. Adulterous woman, egbona mie, udiju, newe nuwe. I have uncles, aunties, cousins that have relocated back home. Some way they travel self. Me small. Nothing don't do there. Now me we nye down way just to discourage people. Now everybody buy grave like you buy grave. People will not come buy grave. Or people will not want me they lost for another man's land. You not go let them be. You not go let them be. Now so you see deceive people oh. Make them not build house. Say na poto na graveyard they build. At the end of the day, you go show people. You can't show us 2 flats. Where you not even get kitchen. Where you they cook for backyard. You know the shame. Ekwemwe. Kiekweamwe. Omonekwemu. Omo. Omonekwemu iyeki gbofo bungbe. Ugbofogbe. Ugbofogbe. The video when I do it there. I just talk about myself and not with me. What I want advice person for. Now everybody know they'll tell roast their rabbits when they go take bon tea. What you concern me? That don't go know to find and geruru. Or come. Me know anybody before. Una know me before. Social media thing, They don't get time. Now my own idea do they go. Now everybody get their own plan. That before the people make plan, they already thought about it. They already figure it out that it will be best for them. They make it and simple. Those that don't have the mind of their own, that want to be pushed around, that want to be twisted, that want their brain to be twisted, can be twisted by adulterous motivational speaker. Somebody like me, right from time, I know what I want. I plan my life. The age to get married, when to start having my children, you know, everything I have is sought out. And everything work out for me by His grace. How many houses I want to have back in Nigeria, how I want to plan for my children here abroad. I have it figured out. Okay? So if you can't get confused about your life, it's your cup of tea. It's not my problem. And it can never be my problem. Okay? My wish is not to come and lost in another man's land. I'm a citizen of this country, Spain. Yeah, I have a passport, a proud citizen. But I love my country, Nigeria. My youth age, I do what is needful. So for greener pastures, I organize my life. Once I am before 55, I 55, I am out of here. Out of here. Here will not be my visit place because I have my citizens here that are my children. Do you have any problem with that? If you have any problem with that, jump into Lagoon and buy yourself. Because that is my own personal plan. You can get your plan. It's your life. Everybody with their life. We must not do the same thing. We must not do the same thing. Okay? Eko bete. anybody in that video now. Am I aware? Now you confused. People don't build house in Nigeria. Don't build house. It is a people that have house there. It is graveyard. It is potapota. It is a tiku. Nothing you did call Nigeria. The next thing, to tell you that you are confused, you went to go and show us two miserable, two flats. You say we should see you. You should come and see you. Oh God, why did I pick this call now? Hello? Did I pick it or? Good afternoon, ma. I was online throughout yesterday. Which online you were on throughout? I'm coming for you. Let me finish my video. You are very, very stupid. 2 days you off your phone. You say you were online. I hope are you guys still hearing me? Please just say yes. This boy is making me angry. I hope it's not connect to my this thing. Can anyone still hear me? Because I wanted to decline the call and I mistakenly pick it. I don't know if it has connected to my ear, this thing. Can you guys still hear me? You understand? To tell how confused you are after calling Nigeria all kinds of names, that you bully people that built houses there. You call them names, that it is their graveyard. You and your ex-friend, not you guys did not say. Then later you go behind and go and be showing us two flats that you wrote a name on the floor or where. As according to African German First Lady mother-in-law. Or what walking or where. Or where. Confused elements. When some people offend in one area, they want to sugarcoat others to go that. I don't get any problem. See, nobody be push and start. Who choose to be push and start? Do your thing. Is your cup of tea. Me na my life I not complex in life. Agbomere, Maria Agboma. Gone are the days. Me, I worry myself over people. I don't worry myself anymore. I have myself to worry about. I got kids. I got loved ones. I got friends. So what's it concern me for? Yeah. Now everybody know they will tell you their life now. If you work out, bravo. If you not work out, all was jouer. Take concern me. Why can't boy? You not see as Ekobete old like a day for Uselu market because of jealousy. Our jealousy is just too high. This girl is sick of jealousy. She's sick. Let me play this. Let's listen. She's sick. Totally sick of jealousy. She can't just mind her business. This is why she run after me. The moment now my mansion where she see make her go claim guest house where they not complete. Where she almost fall from staircase. Shout, where she not belongs to her. Now that thing pain nothing tomorrow say her friend expose her. That thing pain. As that one tell her say sorry rich. That thing pain now. Because the fake life not the bear. Or not the bear. The fake life fall for her body Jakarta. That one expose her. Eh? My mansion where she see. As the thing called Pepe Irish, she say, oh, my people, better, oh, better she dey build up put, oh, better. As he say people not they live for that say better. What difference does it make? Egbeta, Lagos State, what difference does it make? Are people not living wherever the Egbeta is? Are people not living there? What caused that is jealousy. Look at passports now gets. Even with your who you're, you cannot even have passports. Me where be say, see, I work it out for myself and my children proudly. I go proud about it because it's not easy. And they see my mate, they go they proud, say, oh, my husband give it to us. Me, I work it out myself. So why won't I be proud when my fellow woman go they proud say, now my husband, I not fit do for myself, now my husband give it to us. Why me not go proud? Waiting man they run, me woman run out like say no they had. Citizenship now your mates. Citizenship now your mates. Eh? Adulterous woman, her children over 18 years. They don't, the senior one don't complete 18 that day. They not get passports. My last born never reached 1 year or 1 year. Let me say 1 year and 2 months. Wait, passport come out. All of us passports, thanks to their great super mother. Thanks to their super proud mother. What women that may give it to, we say, oh, they will still proud of it. How come me? Wait, run out for myself. I pay the price. I pay the sacrifice. I give it to myself and I give it to my children. How can't I use 2 hands to knock my chest? Isha, a passport, only that being in it. You're easy. If I remember how I take work my house out, take work for plenty years to build my document, to get a passport. If I remember, I go use 2 hands now to say, Mommy love, now who might you be? Oh, walking genogie. Oh, nije. Oh, walking. What some men can never achieve. Some men cannot work in this space to build their document or passports. They will lose it along the way. Along the way, me who my chest and run I do. I give children woto passports. I know so many women for this my city. Their children are already grown. They don't even have 1 year document. They have husband. They have boyfriend. They are all by themselves with their children. They don't have. So why won't I be proud when women men give? They're not stronger, the stronger. Now ma give they don't see you not proud. How come me not go proud? It man beshawa no my enegbe. It man trust woman no my enegbe. Omo wa gba 18 years a passport you kaka yo ekwemu who ya gwan. He said passport is free. Who tell you or do all way? Who tell you say passport na free for your village? I been for your papa village. I been at your mama village. If for the free. If you not get that thing, go reduce that thing. But he had the pay now for this, he not get them. He go use math, reduce that spoiler, say, you know, important. Now, so when he the right bicycle, he said, car not important. Driver license not important. He commonize her. Now you know the hear words. Even the driver license, whether I read now, they say that that they use for UK. Even they can even use Nigeria or for UK. For Spain, you can't try it. You cannot try it and use Nigeria driver license here. It's not done. You will go to jail. They cash you. Eh? Mommy love, you can go to Nigeria and stay for 5 years. But if Ekobete go out of UK 2 years, she cannot enter UK back. Because her paper never strong. She's still under, let's be looking at you. Me, I got ballet, red PPP, almighty red P. Red P now your papa mates. Now your mama mates because I paid the due. Spain, they don't give you because you're born citizen, no. You have to work for, you have to pay tax, you have to build your document, you have to build it gradually, until you will get there. It takes you years. It's not free, motherfucker. You say it's free. Passport is free. Now residence they had. You see say you not get sense. Now residence, they simple to get. But they'll not wait you to build it. If you not work, they take it that 1 year paper back. Simple as ABCD all day. Or where? You not get common sense for your head. Because you not get that in now, you go become minority. You go become nothing to your eyes. May you get a house now, we not go hear what? Why and then no one here. Who are then pop you a here? Here, put my golele where. Here, if you were by a little way by. Here, you put my golo where you have you that way. Also, no man conoma onaya gay. Wow, Babola, but your jealousy is too much. Better you now, person right. Monica and Rita travel license for them. Go reach Esther and her husband. Okay? I don't know. I can't confirm my brother. Now you they talk now. You understand? For Eko better, me no say na fake. Because she tell me for phone. May she swear if I lie. She tell me for phone. She call me for phone. Tell me, Monica, your daughters. Call me for phone. Tell me for phone. Say, God in heaven, they look me this morning. You already this afternoon with they so. If I lie for her head, make her God, everything she believe, make it fight me. Make her head fight me. But if I not lie, as jealous one by her, so my head go fight her. everything that came with me in her life, we fight her. She told me, she called me on the phone. They told me that make I not mind them. Say for UK, everybody drive. Say they not even they get driver license. Say they know they control them for UK. Say they know they get driver license. Many they drive without driver license. So they even they do Nigeria Dagbo till they drive for there. If they even too care to hold something. Now so I come better tell me. Now ma she tell me when she called me for his ass. That time. That was almost 2 years ago now. Yes. Almost 2 years. Now month a year. You go carry community car, drive and go front. 5 kilometers, a bit 2 kilometers. Go use and do video driver come back. You know they go far or where. Now don't ever see her for highway. Say Eko better they drive, they go for highway. Now don't ever see her say she they run motor for highway. What would they call autopista? Now don't ever see her say she they run 120, 130 for highway. Oh wow, or where you want by? That will they punish them.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, wetin una think about this very video? Make una no fail to drop una opinion of what you think about this Monica and Mommy Love matter. God bless you all. Bye bye.